Hey there, Brendan Bailey with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, and we're sitting here on beautiful Lake Louisville here in North Texas on this 2016 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage, and I think you're going to be pretty impressed. This is a gorgeous boat. Not a lot of these in our market, but a really unique opportunity for somebody to be able to buy a freshwater, always kept on a hydro hoist, lifted out of the water underneath a covered slip. Never seen a day of salt water. This is the boat. Owner's just not using it enough, so he's decided to part ways with it and take a break for a minute. So his loss is your gain. So let's talk about this bow area. Beautiful, nice teak table up here, teak inlay table up here. Nice cup holders, really a good versatile layout. As you can see, it rivals any ski boat that's on the market, any common runabout. There's just a lot of versatility with this. You can pull these cushions out. You've got a nice platform up here. You've got a lot of storage underneath both of these seats, and really provides a nice lounge to be able to sit forward. I'm 6'5". I can spread out here in the very front of it, have plenty of leg room. Nice electric windlass anchor, just like you'd find on any cruiser. This boat's got that as well. You can either control it from the helm or control it from the remote there in the front, the corded remote. So we walk through here, you'll notice a nice storage area underneath the helm with tons of storage for tables and whatever other gear you might have. It's also accessed through this front storage here. A boat of this size that's considered kind of a day boat, runabout / fishing boat, obviously would need a head. It's got a VacuFlex head, nice teak inlay, Corian countertops, very, very nice, luxurious layout. One of my favorite spots and my wife's favorite spot is the versatility behind this whole seat structure. Pull up on this trigger. One of the things Boston Whaler's known for is their bright work, their stainless steel work. I don't think anybody's doing it quite like Boston Whaler does. The versatility of this to either be a solid sun lounge down here, flip it up, come back this way. You can just about put it anywhere you want it to be and be comfortable. So as we look here, you've got a nice live well down in here. Nice feature of the boat as well. One of the things I like about it is the ability to be able to fish, put some poles here, and you'll notice your toe kicks. You're not kicking the side of the boat all the time. You've got a nice area here, so if you're leaning over, you can put your toes underneath there. They really think about the fishability of the boat, because that is the heart and soul of Boston Whaler, as we all know. Check out this nice seat assembly that's back here. Makes it to where you can have a group out to be able to seat a couple more people. Rod holders across the back. Transom shower back here. You've also got a shower in the front. If you're beached, getting in the boat, you can hose off, get that sand off of you before you come in. Nice Yeti cooler here in the wet bar. Slides out. Not an igloo cooler, a Yeti cooler. You wouldn't expect anything less. And then check out this hardtop. Awesome feature on the boat. Quiet, no rattles, no canvas to maintain. This boat does have both canvas packages with it. The owner last year added the full camper enclosure with the isinglass. It's got a door that drops down here that you can walk in, really encloses this whole area to give you year-round boating with the enclosure package. Also has the cockpit cover, so it snaps around the cockpit here, and also has a separate bow cover to keep everything nice and protected. This boat's equipped with the 225 horsepower twin Verado engines. Best in its class, really a great performer on this boat. When the owner was getting this boat, one of the things we looked at is it more horsepower better? I think we've all found that that's not always the case, and I think the 270 Vantage and the way that it performs, we're going to show you that as we step here to the helm. Nice fully featured helm, great aircraft stainless steel switches, Fusion stereo. This stereo rivals just about anything that I step on any day. JL audio amps and speakers. Fusion head unit, Raymarine unit here, the GS series unit. So I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to start this thing up. I want to show you how quickly it planes. The difference between a 225 horsepower, a pair of 225 horsepower Verados and 300s is minimal. It's a few miles an hour. I think you're going to see when I take off, not only are you going to see good hole shot that's extremely quick, but you're also going to see phenomenal top end. Obviously, we're on 225 horsepower engines on the back of a 27-foot boat. We're probably overkill doing that. We're going to prove to you that anything bigger than this is just absurd. So let's show you real quick what it does. So the first thing you'll notice is a quick plane time. as we trim it up. This boat will perform in excess of 45 miles an hour. Only has 56 hours on it currently. Again, all freshwater hours, never been kept in the water. Even though it's freshwater, the owner wanted it lifted up on a hydro hoist. Also kept in a covered slip here in beautiful North Texas. We're 20 minutes from Love Field Airport, 20 minutes from DFW Airport. We'd love for you to come in, take a look at the boat. If you're in another market, a coastal market, let's talk about what shipping looks like on the boat as well. I can help you with that. I think you're going to see when you step aboard that you're embarking on a great opportunity to own one of the premier day boats around. So give us a call. My name's Brendan Bailey. I'm with the MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Call me at 972-670-8211. Can't wait to show you this boat. I think you're going to love it. Bye-bye.